Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing DJI Mic Mini. So this has one transmitter and two receiver from DJI. I will be showing you what's inside the box, how cool is the mic. It will be helpful if you are making the videos for social media. So let me show you what's inside the box. So let me show you what's inside the box. So this is a DJI Mic Mini, and I will be showing you what all they have included. So this is a beautiful small size mic which will be very helpful if you are making the videos for any purpose, social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook Reels. So it will be very helpful. So this is all packed in the pouch. So this is the small pouch. So you can have the mic, charging case, everything along with the accessories. So it is all in one pouch, so it will be very handy. So let me show you what they have included in the pouch. So this is the mic charging case. So it is a bit thick in size, I would say. Some of the Chinese or other models, they are very thin, so but this is very thick. So let me show you. So this is the mic, as you can see. So these are the two small mics, very small. So it has the clip on the back, so you can attach the clip, and plus this is the second mic. So it comes in two, and it has a magnetic, so they will attach. And plus this is the receiver. So sorry, this is the transmitter, and plus it has the control for both the channels. So it is very cool. And so this is the attachment for type C, and same way you can use that here, so it will help that. And plus this is the audio cable. I will be showing you that also. So this is USB to, and this is USB type C cable, and this is 5 mm audio port. So this is pretty much inside the box. And plus one thing I miss. So these are the wind puffs. So if you are shooting with the windy condition, so this will be very helpful. So this was pretty much inside the box. As you can see, this is the empty box for DJI Mic Mini, and this is the transmitter, and these are the two receiver mic. So these are the small size, very small size two mics. And plus it has this windy puffs. So the another one is here. So two black color and the two little bit of white mix, as you can see that. And then this is a audio cable 5 mm, and plus this is type C to type C charging cable, and this is the connector, type C connector, and that's it. And this is the pouch, so you can put everything in the pouch. So this is pretty much inside the box. So in the charging case, as you can see, you have put up the transmitter here, and the one mic receiver is on the right, one mic receiver is on the left, and this is the connector. So this is how you put up everything in the charging case. And this is how you close. You just press and then open, lift. So you have to press and then lift, so that way the case will open. And you can see this is the case, and this is the battery level here. So, and plus I will be showing you the charging port is where to have to charge. So this is the charging port type C, so you can charge from here. So it is showing the battery level. So once you open that, press and then lift, see this is the battery position. So 4 points mean fully charged, so 1 point is not fully charged, it is just like 25% of the battery. So each of the mic, as you can see, this is very compact, and on the back there is a clip, plus there is a magnet also. So as you can see, you can remove that. So this is the magnet, and this is the clip to put up the mic. And you can put up this magnet inside your shirt, and then you can attach the mic. So I will be showing you. So as you can see, I have attached the mic inside my shirt. So with the magnet it helps that, and it is very strong. So I am charging now the DJI Mic Mini charging case, and you can see that on the back. Hi guys, this is the test quality of DJI Mic Mini. I am approximately 10 meters and showing you the quality, speaking very low. Hi guys, this is the DJI Mic Mini quality. I am nearly 35-meter away, and let me show you the quality of this mic. I hope you can hear me properly and clearly. So I am using the collar mic here. So I hope you are getting good results. So guys, this mic can be used for podcast also. So I am sitting with the two mics, and so how is the weather in Sydney, and what are you doing these days?
The weather's pretty good. It's been quite sunny, quite hot, and these days I've been playing quite a lot of golf near golf courses in Sydney.
So guys, this is the detailed product feature of DJI Mic Mini, and I'm on the popular website jbhifi.com.au. This is the local Australian website, and this is the Mic Mini with the two transmitter and one receiver plus charging case. So the currently price is 199 Australian dollar, and you can see a few of the product pictures. So, and it is showing what all is included in that. So, and so, and it is these are the main key features: high quality audio with stable transmission, noise cancelling, and a portable microphone kit with the two transmitters, one receiver, charging case, approximately 11.5 hours battery life, and clip on the magnetic attachment lanyard. So that is the one. And these are the other features, you can see that. So carry less, capture more, and the small and ultralight. So the each of the mic is a like 10 gram only. So all in one, take it anywhere, and a high quality audio. So it is a DJI mic, so you get a high quality of the sound, and 5-level gain adjustment. So you can adjust the sound level and using the dial on the receiver, so you can adjust that. And mono and stereo recording, so it can support both mono as well as stereo recording and dual channel recording, and plus safety track and extra assurance. So So by enabling it a safety track on the DJI Mimo app, so the DJI Mic Mini can record it dual track. So that is a very good feature, and 48 hours battery with the case, and no more frequent charging. So that is quite good. Yeah, if you are traveling, those kind of thing, you can't charge frequently. So that way, it helps you to record the videos properly. And 5 minute quick charge, that is again a great feature. So just 5 minutes of charging provide about 1 hour of use for both the receiver and transmitter, which is again a great feature. So sometime you are traveling, just stopping somewhere to get a coffee or something, you can quickly charge this system. And transmitter auto power saving, auto power off, and stable anti-interference, 400-meter transmission. That is pretty long. I show you the test video for only 35-meter. So, but this is very strong. So DJI Osmo quality and multi-device compatibility and easy wireless recording, and DJI Mimo app enhance operational efficiency. So this is the key feature, and plus what you get inside the box. So this is all explained here. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.